Hi there, great ones. We are back with maths lesson and this is lesson 19. For today we are going to count with our counters and we're also going to count on our number chart. We're going to play a number game and then a spider sum and word problems. We start off with your counters, so you should have your counters in front of you and you are going to need 70 counters. You are going to count forward in twos for me. So you start by moving 2 at a time all the way to 70. And then when you go backwards, you're only going to go in ones. So you start at 70 and you go back to 0 by counting in ones for me. Right, now we are going to do some counting in our books. You're going to write the counting in your lines, and then please remember that a number only uses one line, and then you skip a line in between. And you're putting finger spaces between your counting as well. The first one you're going to start at 4, so your first number that you're going to write down will be 4. And then you're counting in twos all the way to 30, so you're going to stop at 30. Remember, when we count in twos, we skip a line in between. Right, your next one is counting in fives. You start at 5 and you go all the way to 70. So your first number will be 5, and then finger space 10, and then you go all the way counting in fives to 70. And then on your next one, we're counting in tens. Your first number will be 10, and then you're going to go all the way to 100 for me. Remember, your finger spaces in between. Over here, I have something new for you, so you need to listen very carefully. Switch on your ears for me quickly and sit up nice and straight. Here we have a spider sum. Now, you are not going to draw the spider in your book. You're only going to write the sums for me, and I'm going to explain to you quickly how it works. In the top corner, in the block, I've done the example for you. So that is how your sums will look in your book. Now, next to the spider's leg on the left-hand side, you've got your numbers. And each leg has a different number. And then by the mouth of the spider, it says +3. Now we know if we see Gus plus, we're going to make more. Then on the other side, by the other legs, there's Ellie equals and then our wonder block. Now remember, we don't draw the number blocks in our books. It's only there to tell us that that's where we need to write our answer. So let's see quickly what we are going to write in our books. The first one there at the top, by the leg, says 12. And then in the middle it says +3. So you're going to write in your books 12 +3 equals, and then your answer. And then you're going to leave a line open and do the next one. 14 +3 equals, and then your answer. Then leave a line open. 15 +3 equals, and your answer. And then your last one will be 17 +3 equals, and then your answer. Always remember that we use orange, red, or purple for our answers. Right, over here we have our story sum, so listen carefully. There are 9 dogs and 2 cats. How many are the dogs more than the cats? Now remember, grade 1, you're going to draw your picture And then after your picture, you're going to do your sum for me. And then after your sum, we are going to do our secret sentence or our answer sentence. Our next one. There are 10 rats and 4 mice. How many are the mice less than the rats? Remember your picture. Then after your picture, you write your sum. And then at the end, you're going to do your answer sentence. And that's it for today. Thank you, grade ones. Bye-bye.